Welcome back. Here's a video we've all been waiting for, or at least I know I have. I'm going to be adding dust collection to the miter saw. Miter saw dust collection is terrible. Any of you guys do woodworking, you'll know that that's the worst culprit in the shop. So anyways, a few other small upgrades I've done, I'll show you. Let me get you turned around here. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not, so you'll get future updates. And let's check it out. All right, so before we get to the main event, the new dust collector there, I want to show you this little tip I picked up from J Bates, I believe it was. Adding these cheesy little keyhole slots make a huge difference. I used to have this front plate just screwed on. You had to unscrew it every time you want to make miters, so let me show you that real quick. So whenever you're going to do miters, you just pop that up off out of your way. So, way more efficient than having that front plate screwed on. Let me see if I can show you in here. It's a sloppy mess right now, but I got that dust collector. I just put the pipe straight up in there for now. Wasn't working that great, so we're gonna install this guy, see if we can improve efficiency a little bit. And this is what I got. Just a cheap little Win dust collector. It's got to be better than nothing, which I had, right? Try to get you guys in there so you can see what I'm doing. I have my existing hole. This was another failed attempt at dust collection a long time ago. Bought this little bottom catch tray. I'm gonna trace it out, cut it with the jigsaw, and we'll get that part installed. Bit of a pain. But hey, it fits. So I'm gonna get that hose on there. I know it'll probably be better if I get some like 1/8 or 1/4 inch plywood like this and make the whole bottom into sort of a funnel. But we'll see how this works. All right, got that in place now. Let's throw this back on here. All right, let's get this put back on. Easy peasy. Check this out. Maple, zero clear. What we have is this Win dust collector, 660 CFM. I've just got a flex hose going through the side, bottom of the cabinets. I think it'll pick up all the finer particles. It's gotta help, right? So let me know what y'all think. What else could I improve to make the dust collection better on this? What have y'all done? Anyway, thanks for watching.